quiet drinking. It sounds harmless, right? But when someone is secretly drinking, slipping off during gatherings, hiding bottles in odd places, or needing a drink just to get through the day, it's anything but. A person dealing with this kind of drinking might seem like they've got everything together. Job? Check. Responsibilities? Handled. But behind the scenes, they could be struggling with something deeper, using alcohol to dull anxiety, depression, or old emotional wounds. We see this a lot at More Than Rehab, folks who've been silently battling for years. They're not falling apart on the outside, but inside, it's a different story. Functional alcoholism doesn't always look like what we expect. It can live in the quiet moments, the forgotten conversations, the mood swings, the unexplained distance, and over time, that quiet struggle can turn into something serious. Health issues, broken trust, or feeling stuck. Here's the good news, it's not too late. Whether it's you or someone you care about, there is a path forward. Therapy, community support, and honest conversation can make a difference. And we're here to walk with you without judgment or pressure. If you've got questions or need someone to talk to, we're just a phone call away. Contact More Than Rehab today. We're available 24/7, 365 days a year.